Spider and Bees here. Uh, this is a mini mating nuke that I use to basically bank a mated queen. And I put about a couple bees in here. It's been about 2 weeks now, and they've drawn out comb pretty well. At this point, I'm just doing a video. I'm going to come back and do a count. I'm looking to see um, what they're bringing in at this point. They are busy. Today is supposed to get up to around 70 degrees. So I'm going to video. I just want to see what's coming in. So at this point, it's going to be kind of quiet. When I come back later, I will open it up and show you a couple of the more drawn out frames that they did. The last thing on this is that they I've given them sugar syrup 1 to 1, and they seem to be holding up pretty good. I'm holding this queen just in case. I got a hive that I'm a little worried about. I want to see if she'll ramp up production. Right now, her population is really low. So, we'll see. I do see pollen coming into the hive at this point, which is a good sign. Dandelion is blooming today. Later on, I'll show you, we've got some really nice blooms on some of the fruit trees and the ornamental pears. So, without enjoy this video, hopefully you'll see what they're bringing in as well. Okay, I'm not using any smoke today, so I'm bundled up just in case they don't feel happy with me coming in here. At this point, I just want to check on the frames again. They were drawing it out pretty good. Plus, I need to, yeah, it looks like I need to add a little more feed, sugar syrup, 1 to 1. That's what I'm using at this point. There's condensation on the hive. Yeah, easy does it, fellas. Just one. So you can see they're drawing it out pretty good. Um, one of the things to look for is I haven't seen the queen, but they're not yelling and screaming at me, so I'm assuming there's no roar like we lost the queen kind of stuff. So my hope is that she's doing fine in here. And as a matter of fact, I just blew on it a little bit. I can see a little bit of cap brood in here. Hopefully you can too from this angle. I'm just, yeah, looks pretty good. I put, there was one that wasn't drawn out, so I put it in the middle here. And to give them a chance to start drawing it out. The other 3 are practically drawn, so that's good. I'm going to add a little more syrup and we'll go from there. Okay, so uh, spider and bees. I ride a Can-Am spider. I'm a Cornell University certified master beekeeper. This is a mini mating nuke that I'm using to bank a mated queen, just in case I need her down the road. I'm thinking I might put a second story on this. I haven't decided yet, but guess what, folks? That's it for this video. Pursue happiness, lean into joy. Have a good one.